welcome to AlignStar Online. This module is the editor. The AlignStar Online editor is opened by clicking the Editor button in the top right corner of an AlignStar Online document window. The title bar shows the name of the document. If thematic data is attached to the published document from the desktop, that data will be available for the editor to display and work with. That data can be displayed individually or in groups. Use the Hide Columns and Show Columns control buttons to determine which data will be hidden or displayed. The Territory section shows the hierarchy, which is a nested relationship of territories, districts, regions, and areas included in the published document. By default, the territory hierarchy is displayed in a closed nest. Clicking the key next to the hierarchy name will expand and open the hierarchy structure, showing the nested items. If you show columns of data, that data will expand out according to the selection in the hierarchy column. You can select which columns of data to display for each territory by checking the boxes along the top of the territory section of the display. The order is controlled by the top-down display order in the Show Columns box above. If data exceeds the display boundary of the window, scroll bars appear. Choose Show All or Modified to display all territories or only territories that have been modified by the user with the alignment tool. Clicking an item in the hierarchy will display information associated with that part of the hierarchy. If one particular district is selected, territories in that district will appear. If one particular territory is selected, only that territory will appear. Moving down to the Alignment Changes section, we see the changes made in this section. These changes can be individually selected, or the user can select all. Once selections have been made, they can be submitted for consideration. Selections can also be unsubmitted individually or all together. Once changes have been submitted through the editor, the Scenario Manager, not the editor, will display the scenario as having a status of submitted. The administrator or publisher of the document can then open the scenario and see the changes the online user had submitted for consideration. Changes may be accepted or rejected in part or whole by the document administrator. The Scenario Manager will show a status change when this occurs. The scenario can no longer be modified by the online user, but other scenarios can be created in the Scenario Manager by the online user and submitted for consideration. The map document associated with the scenario will show the state as approved, read-only, or otherwise. That's all for this session of the editor. Thank you.